Hi friends, Mrs. Matway here. We've reached the point in our research that we are ready to take our pieces of evidence or facts that are on our sticky notes and organize them into potential paragraphs or possible paragraphs. If you see here, I have a claim and I have all of my pieces of evidence kind of laid out so I can see them all in front of me. So what you should take a moment is pause the video and take all your sticky notes with all your pieces of evidence and kind of line them all out on your desk so you can see them all. So what we're going to do is we're going to organize these pieces of evidence into categories or topics that make the most sense. If you remember correctly, we did this similar activity with our December vacation activities. So everybody wrote evidence on Post-it notes about what happened over December vacation. And then we took those pieces of evidence and organized them into categories or topics. You can see here that there was a friends category or topic, and all of the pieces of evidence below relate to some activity that people did with friends. The same with this sleeping category over here. All of the pieces of evidence under this sleeping category and these Post-it notes all relate to something people did over vacation that was involving sleep. So we're going to do the same sort of thing with our sticky notes about our research topic. Mine is a little bit different because I did not gather evidence about our research topic. I gathered evidence about my claim, which is, without a doubt, the greatness of Friday makes it superior to any other day of the week. So I'm going to take these Post-it notes and I'm going to look carefully at them and see if there are any Post-it notes that have a similar idea or about a similar topic. So when I look through these, I see that there are some Post-it notes that relate to things that have to do with work. So I'm going to take all those Post-it notes and put them together. So this is not having to lesson plan, that's work related. Not grading or answering emails, that's work related. Not worrying about work in general makes me feel energized, that's work related. So you can see all of these have to do with really just something to do with work. So I'm going to title that with another sticky note. I'm going to title this category and put them all together as work. So that's my first category or possible topic for my body paragraph. One of the reasons why I like Friday the best is because I don't have to worry about work. Okay, so let's look to see what else we have here. All right, how can I organize the rest of these? Well, some of these are activities that I like to do on Fridays. Things that I like to do because I can stay up a little bit later. So I'm going to put those all into categories. My category is going to be staying up late. So my paragraph could be about staying up late. I like to stay up late and watch movies on Friday. I like to stay up late and play video games on Friday. I like to stay up late and read a book on Friday. So I'm going to add that read my book category into it. What else do I like to do while I'm staying up late on Friday? It gives me more time with my cute little daughter and my wonderful husband. It gives us time to go out to dinner if I'm staying up a little bit later. All right, I think that's everything. Oh, I have 2 read my books. So if you have 2 pieces of evidence that are the same, you can just get rid of one of them. That's fine. Oh, and I have no worries about waking up early. Oh, this is a great category. This might be a really good topic for a body paragraph. So I'm going to take a sticky note, and I'm going to label this category staying up late, because these are all the activities I get to do because I'm staying up late on Friday. Staying. All right. And then I have 3 more cards left. All right. Do things on my own time, spending more time with Cora, which I kind of already had, so I'm going to maybe get rid of that one, and napping on Saturday and Sunday. So these are kind of like the reasons why like Friday is exciting to me, because helps me anticipate the weekend. So, I mean, I can add those to a category, or you know what? I don't think they really fit that well into a category, so I'm just going to leave them out, and that's fine. If you get some, sticky notes with evidence that don't really fit into a category, that's perfectly fine too. Sometimes that happens. But you do want to try to find topics that really can give you a lot of information. So now that I'm looking at my list, I have 2 possible body paragraphs. I can write a body paragraph about staying up late. One of the reasons I like Friday is to stay up late, or one of the reasons I like Friday is so I don't have to worry about work. And when I look at this, I have a lot more evidence to use in my staying up late paragraph than my work paragraph. So most likely, I'm going to use this right here as my body paragraph. So now's the time for you to kind of lay out all of your pieces of evidence, all of your Post-it notes, and see if you can put them into categories and decide what is the topic or category that you will choose to write your body paragraph about. Good luck.